Tired of that Visa gift card collecting dust in your wallet? Let's turn that plastic into usable Cash App funds, quick and easy. First things first, make sure your Visa gift card is activated. You can usually find the activation instructions and a toll-free number on the back of the card or the packaging it came in. Give them a quick call to get that done. Next, you need to register your gift card online. Head to the website printed on the back of the card. Usually it will be something like mygiftcard.com or a similar variation. You'll need to enter your card number, the CVV code, and other information to create an account and register the card to your name and address. This is crucial for linking it to Cash App. Open up your Cash App and tap the profile icon in the upper right corner. This is usually a picture or initials. Scroll down until you find the linked banks option. Tap on it. Now, select a bank. Cash App may ask you for permission to access your camera for instant verification. You can choose to grant or deny this permission and instead, select link with account number. Now it's time to enter the routing number and account number associated with your Visa gift card. Where do you find that info? When you registered the Visa gift card, it should have provided you with a routing and account number associated with the gift card. Enter those details carefully and double-check. Once done, Cash App will take a few days to confirm the details. After Cash App verifies your card details, you can go ahead and select Add Cash. Enter the amount you'd like to transfer from your Visa gift card to your Cash App balance. Keep in mind that you can only transfer the amount available on your gift card. Confirm the transaction, and boom, your funds should now be available in your Cash App balance, ready to be used however you like. Just remember that there might be small fees associated with adding funds this way, so always double-check the transaction details before confirming.